I've never owned a bike before.
Dude, I love your bike.
So nice.
Who called the cops?
That lady that was out in front of the yard filming. If I keep riding wheelies, you're gonna have me towed.
What is up, Mini Moto fam? We are kind of out of our element. I'm in Mount Pleasant, Texas today. I had some business to take care of in New Boston, on the far side of New Boston, so I figured I was already a quarter of the way here. And of course I'm out on the Ninja 400. We are headed to Pennzoil, Kawasaki, Mount Pleasant, Texas. It's actually where I bought this bike. They asked me if I knew very much about marketing, internet marketing, which is pretty much exactly what I do for both of my businesses. I mean, essentially that's what a YouTube channel is internet marketing, or at least that's the way I use mine. But so we're on our way over there. They said that Wednesday, the day that I went and bought the bike, they were super busy, and I went kind of at the end of the day, and they said that the best day to come and talk to them about it would be on a Wednesday, which is today. Not sure if I'm going to upload this video today, but today is Wednesday. So I'm trying to make my way to the dealership, and I can't remember exactly where it's at. I don't have, you know, my phone mount on this one, because this one has different bars, and I don't really know where I would put it. Probably just gonna have to come up with a new solution for this bike. But anyway, so I just kind of looked at the map before I left, and I'm basically going based on that and my own memory. I think it's right up here on the left though. Yeah, this all looks familiar. But yeah, so I brought my camera, and I'm gonna go in here and like take some pictures of some of their bikes. I know they've got a Ninja, or not a Ninja, there it is. There she is. Not a Ninja, a Z650 that they've got, they're trying to get rid of. They've had it for a while, and they're willing to come down way far on the price on it, but they never did tell me exactly how much. And I wanted to take some pictures and see if I could help them sell it. And then, you know, maybe I'll have, you know, some benefits from that, whether I get paid or they just like, you know, give me the Kawasaki connection. Oh, that's a big bump. So here we are, Pennzoil's Honda, Kawasaki, Sprue. I need to ask them how they say that. It's their name. Like, it's like their actual, like, last name. Yeah, they've rearranged the showroom just a little. Do I look different with my helmet on?
Hey, bud. How are you?
I come out to visit.
You sure did. Got your big pro reinvention thing on your helmet, the whole deal.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So this is the Z650 that they have for sale here, and they are knocking $1,000 off. So if you're gonna get a really good deal on a brand new Z650, those are eligible for the free riding jacket from Kawasaki. All right, so it's 5 o'clock, and I have not eaten anything today. And I asked them if they had a sushi restaurant close by, and they said, yeah, it's called Round Eye Sushi Guy. Round Eye Sushi Guy. So I guess it means it's a white person that runs the restaurant. I don't know. It's it kind of sounds racist, but I mean, I guess not. You can't be racist towards a white person, right? Right. I mean, I don't really agree with that. Whatever. But so we're gonna try to find it. It's like kind of downtown, and I'm not really familiar. So, but I don't have bar mount. No bar mount. So I'm just gonna put it in my pocket and just listen to my GPS. So hopefully we find it. It's going to be an adventure either way. But by the way, I did figure out how to say their name. It's Sproul. It's like spool, but with an R. Sproul. So, good thing to know. They're waving. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Waving at me. They were excited that I rode the Ninja back up here. And that I already have 260 miles on it. Okay. So, 90% sure I'm supposed to turn left here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go check out Round Eye Sushi Guy and see if their round eye sushi's any good. I mean, I know some white dudes that can make some badass sushi, so. Also, if the audio is a little weird, I apologize. I kind of realized after that last video that the wind is a lot worse when you're going 65 to 75 than if you're just going, 55 to 60 all the time like on the Z. So the helmet just isn't really set up right yet. I think I might actually need to get a little foam padding to insulate where the chin curtain goes. It came with a chin curtain, but I have no idea where it is, and it wasn't ever really effective to begin with, so that's why I just never used it. But on the Ninja, you sit a little higher up, and then of course, as you get higher into speed, you get a lot more wind resistance, and it's like significantly more. Okay, I think it's saying to turn left here. Yeah. I don't know what you're waiting for. You have the right of way. Turn right where? Here? I'm assuming there are no street signs. What the fuck? Like zero. No street sign whatsoever to tell you what street this is. Okay. Oh wait, is that it? That's it. Round Eye Sushi Guy. Huh. I guess you park across the street. It's the only thing I can figure. Yeah, as soon as I get some food, I'm gonna get out on the interstate and we'll see. I kind of have the microphone positioned a little high. I'm trying not to talk too loud because of that, but we're gonna see how it sounds out on the interstate. I think it's still gonna be too noisy, but we'll see. Man, this isn't ghetto at all. It's it's pretty funny. Not really a fan of leaving my bike out where I can't see it, but not exactly expecting to be here very long. All right, Round Eye Sushi Guy. I'm gonna wear the helmet just long enough to see inside. That's great. Thank you. Okay, thank you. That's pretty cool. Some chips we do. Pretty good.
Do you need any sauce or anything?
You got like the little dish with the soy sauce in it?
Yes, soy sauce.
Oh, okay.
All right. That was awesome. Oh my God, I kind of just want to just take a nap now. Let me show you a picture of that sushi because it was so good. Let's just put that right there. So yeah, if you're ever in Mount Pleasant, Texas, be sure to go to Round Eye Sushi Guy. It's a really weird name, but the owner is super cool. Where the fuck is my key? Well, it's not in that pocket. Somebody just got a free nickel. Oh, here we go. So sniffly. It's because I ate spicy sushi. But yeah, the owner was super cool, and he like gave me some free chips and kind of told me about the place a little bit. He said that they're trying to expand. They're trying to get a building in Tyler. I told them they should come to Texarkana because that was awesome. All right, so now to figure out how to get out of here, I looked at the map, and I think if we just get out on that road over there, we can go straight back to the interstate, and you guys can get a first-hand feel look something of what it's like to ride the Ninja 400 on the interstate. I will say that the bike is really stable. I think it's just me, because I started out on the Z and then kind of graduated to this thing, and so I've never really been up to 75 miles an hour, but my head just kind of bobbles around like this, and I think I'm just not used to having to fight it. And because the bike is stable, like even if I get passed by a semi or I pass a semi or whatever, the bike is completely stable. It feels perfectly fine. Now I will say, when I go to pass a semi, I pretty much have to go into full tuck mode, otherwise like it just blows you all over the place. And not even really the bike, just like it makes your head do this. So I just kind of full tuck and blow by the semis really quickly. I don't like to stay in their way for too long. Nice Subaru, bro. I like red WRXs. You don't see them very often. You know, it's kind of interesting. I got to thinking about it with spruels. They're a Kawasaki and a Honda dealer, so you can buy a Grom or a Z125 there, which if you noticed earlier when I was walking around the showroom, there was a Grom and two Zs there. So it's pretty cool that you can get them from the same place. You know, back in Texarkana we have a Kawasaki dealership and then we have a Honda dealership, and they're two completely different places owned by completely different people. And most of the Kawasaki dealerships I've seen were, you know, standalone, or they were Kawasaki and Yamaha. I don't think I've ever seen a Kawasaki and Honda in the same place. Also, I kind of been paying attention a little bit more. And you know, in the last video I said that the exhaust kind of wakes up in the higher RPMs. It's not the exhaust you're hearing, it's the intake. The intake gets really loud. Like, I bet this thing will sound crazy with a cold air intake. Well, I guess I'm fixing to have to put my lid down because it's starting to get windy. But there's the interstate right there, so we're about to hop on and it's about to get really noisy. All right. Interstate 30, here we come. Oh, I should have cleaned my lid off a little bit. Are you gonna get over? Thank you. Alright, so this is Interstate Life. For those of you that don't know, the speed limit in Texas on this particular stretch is 75 miles an hour, so I'm actually not speeding. As you might notice, my helmet's moving around significantly more than when I'm just cruising around. I got about a 40-mile trek ahead of me here. I'm actually probably going to get off in New Boston and grab some brews, some brewskis, and probably take the highway back to the house, because the wind is not very much fun. That, and you got, you know, those things everywhere out here. I'm also still not 100% convinced that the speedometer is 100% accurate, because there's been a couple of times where I was going like 80 and then still getting passed by regular cars, and I'm like, there's no way they're really actually going 85 right now. But then again, maybe they are. I don't know. I need to get a new bar mount for my phone and give me one of those GPS speedometer apps. I have an iPhone, so if any of you guys have a recommendation for an app that you know that works well for checking the speed via GPS, let me know down in the comments below. That'd be awesome. Also, I hope you guys can hear me because the wind is like bleh. In fact, I think a lot of it's coming off the back of the semi up here, so. Oh, yeah. Let's see, if I lay down, see right now I'm fully tucked. You notice my helmet doesn't move as much. It's because I'm not catching as much wind. Oh, still getting a little there. Like, my helmet's moving, but the bike is sturdy. You don't have to fight it on the bike. The bike handles it great. There is the gas station we want to go to. good because the fuel light's been on for like 15 miles now. Probably should have filled it up before I left, but I kind of just jumped on it and went and got some water and hit the road. But that's okay. We made it. She gets good gas mileage. Make sure we're not going to get run over right here. All right. Well, I'm going to get this thing gassed up and go in there and get some brews, and we will be back in a minute. I didn't fill it up because I don't know exactly how big this tank is. I should probably look that up, but I kind of got distracted in there. This one like super cute grill that I always talk to when I'm in here. But I gave her a card and told her to come comment. So if you're watching, hi. Okay, what am I doing? Oh yeah, going home. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for this video today. I'm speeding again. But you guys know the drill. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And we will see you next time. Peace! What's up, kiddo? If there's anybody from HJC listening, fuck you. This helmet sucks. Where do you want to meet at?
I don't know. Where do you want me to?
You want to meet at Starbucks? What direction are we going? What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
You go, that's good. Oh, man, Cody was with you. I was like, oh, wait, there's Cody.